In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to translate and localize content using AI tools in just a few minutes. Whether you're creating content for a global audience or simply trying to expand your reach, AI-powered translation and localization can save you a ton of time and effort. Stick with me because I'm about to share a streamlined, simple process you can follow and even get a free trial of the software I'm using exclusively for you. Let's dive right in. The first step in translating and localizing content is understanding the difference between translation and localization. Translation is converting text from one language to another, while localization goes a step further, adapting that content for cultural context, tone, and local preferences. This ensures your message resonates with your new audience. Now we're going to make this process easier with AI tools. The software we'll be using today is perfect for both tasks, saving you hours of manual effort. Once you've selected the content you want to translate, just upload it into the software. Most AI tools are as simple as drag and drop, and they'll automatically recognize the language and start translating right away. But here's where it gets interesting. This software doesn't just do direct translations. It takes things a step further by localizing the content, adjusting things like idioms, cultural references, and even tone. This is crucial for making your content feel native to the target audience. Here's a quick tip. You can choose between several AI-powered translation engines within the software. Some focus on speed, others on accuracy, and some even specialize in more creative content. Make sure to choose the one that suits your type of content best. For instance, if you're translating a technical manual, you might want something more precise. If you're working on marketing or video content, go for a tool that understands nuance and emotion. After your content is translated and localized, you'll want to review it. Even AI tools can make mistakes or miss the mark on certain cultural nuances. Most tools allow you to do quick edits, or even let you have a human translator double-check the content for any final tweaks. You can also add glossaries or custom rules to improve the AI's future translations, saving you time for future projects. So here's the best part. I've tested a lot of different translation and localization tools, but the software we're using today has been by far the easiest and most effective. If you want to follow along with me, I've got a special offer for you, a free trial to the software we're using today, available only for viewers of my channel. You'll find that link in the description below. Take advantage of it and see for yourself how much easier translating and localizing your content can be. The key takeaway here is that AI tools can completely transform the way you translate and localize content, saving you time, money, and making your content more relatable to international audiences. Make sure to pick the right AI tool for your content, review the output, and make any necessary adjustments to ensure you're delivering the best possible experience to your new audience. To recap, we've covered what translation and localization are, the importance of selecting the right tool, how AI tools can save you time, and how you can review and adjust your content for accuracy. And remember, I recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we use today. Link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.